those are just our al dente lasagna pasta. Now I'm gonna bring in my whole milk ricotta cheese, and I have a little spatula, and we are gonna spread our ricotta right on top of our pasta, just like so. We want each one to get a nice layer of ricotta. I did cook up the whole box of lasagna, so keep that in mind. Yummy. Let's get this done super quick. After our ricotta, we're gonna grab some Italian seasoning, and we're gonna just shake our seasoning right on top of our ricotta, just like so. And you can customize your seasoning to your liking. I just like how easy and convenient the Italian seasoning is. Now, the fun part of this meal is our pepperoni slices. And these are the perfect pizza topper, not the sandwich pepperoni. And we're gonna grab our pepperoni slices, and we're gonna line that right on top of our ricotta and our Italian seasoning. Just super quickly, I do have one more thing we're gonna add into this before we get to rolling, but we're gonna get these delicious pepperonis right on there. Last one right there. And this is optional, but my husband loves mushrooms. And we're kind of going for like a pizza vibe, so I feel like mushrooms are a great add-on to this dinner. So let's quickly get our mushroom right in between our pepperonis, just like so. I'm kind of picking out the smaller slices. So I did mention we're gonna roll these, so we're just gonna grab the edge of our lasagna and get to rolling, just like so. Look how delicious those look. The ricotta just holds everything together. And remember, we're doing this with the whole package of lasagna. So we gotta get to rolling and get to cooking. All right, now we're gonna put these to the side and bring in our deep dish 9x13. I have here my Rayo's marinara, and we're gonna put half of this right at the bottom of our 9x13. Give this a quick little spread so that the full bottom is covered. And before we put those little pizza roll-ups in there, I'm just gonna add a nice layer of mozzarella, about 1 cup. This will help everything stick together so we have a beautiful casserole. Perfect, that was half of our 1-pound bag. Kind of just give it a quick little spread. You can use your hands for that. And now we're gonna grab our roll-ups and we're gonna line them into our pan, just like so. All right, last one in there. Perfect. We're gonna grab some garlic powder, because what is an Italian dish without some garlic powder? Perfect. Next, we're gonna use the rest of our marinara, and you can use whatever marinara you like. You could even do homemade marinara. This is just my favorite, so that's why I opted for it. And this one, we're not gonna have as much, it's not gonna be as easy to spread, so we're kind of just evenly distributing that right on top of our little pizza rolls that we're making.
Looks delicious. I'm excited for this.
This is gonna be so good, you guys. Add the rest of our mozzarella. And this is really gonna help it all hold together. You could probably even do this in like an 8x8 and it would hold beautifully. And then last but not least, a little bit of chopped parsley on top, because greenery makes everything look more appetizing. Look at that, beautiful. All right, we made a little bit of a mess, but we made it to our destination, and that's all that matters. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. Oh my, these smell absolutely incredible. Woo! Our pizza, lasagna, roll-ups are done. It's time to serve these up, and you can serve them however you want. Oh my goodness. Woo! Extra cheesy pleasy. Oh my goodness. It has the pepperoni, the mushrooms, the ricotta. I'm so excited. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. That is a winner, you guys. You have to try that.